welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Are you the only one?
No. I'm not the only one. My other friends are coming.
Okay, so we just have to wait for them.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So where is the last person?
I don't know. Maybe she's on her way.
Alright, so we have to wait for her, okay? Let's just give her some minutes.
Your money. Hello, sir. Hello. Your money.
My money?
Yes, sir. It fell down.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Just put it in your pocket.
Okay.
Just put it in your pocket.
You know my condition. Can you help me arrange the money?
Oh, okay. I picked one in your bowl. It's in your hand. Let me put it in your pocket.
Okay.
You should be checking.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye-bye, sir.
God bless you. God bless you. Wow. That's very nice. Interesting.
Please come in. You just come in.
I'm sorry, sir.
You're here for a job and we have to wait for you. Huh? You have to keep us waiting.
I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. Young ladies, my HR is the one in charge of the employment. We've seen your CVs and we've gone through it, and all of you have a very wonderful CV.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much,
And,
sir.
Thank you.
I must recommend that. And in the next few minutes, my HR will be here,
Okay, sir.
and he will pick one of you
Okay,
and
sir.
give you the job.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Oh, that must be him. He's opened it.